Hello friends, welcome you for the lecture series of engineering mechanics. Today we are going to solve some numericals of analysis of truss by method of joints as well as method of section. So let's move towards the today's first numerical. So here it is mentioned that determine the magnitude and nature of forces in member AB, AH and HC of the truss loaded and supported as shown in figure. So we have to find out the forces in member AB, this, then AH, it's this one, and HC. So we have to find out the forces in these three members, and the load is given, external load at point G is given 40 kilonewton, 14 kilonewton, at B it is 12 kilonewton, and at D it is 18 kilonewton. At A there is a roller support, and at E there is a hinge support. The height of the truss is given 3 meter and each panel is 3 meter. So from that, can you able to find out this angle? Yes, definitely. Tan inverse of 3 by 3. So this theta A we are able to find out. That comes out to be 45. By trigonometry, it is simple to find out that angle. So theta A is 45. So required all the angles. This angle is also 45 by using the trigonometry, and this angle is also 45. Okay. Now next step is to find out the support reaction. After drawing the free body diagram, you have to find out the support reactions. So support reaction, here roller support, so therefore I have replaced this roller by this reaction, that is, let's say this is AY, and here the two reactions, let's say this is EY because it is hinge, and the another is EX. Now apply the condition of equilibrium for total truss. First condition, summation of f of y is equal to 0. Summation of all forces in y direction. AY minus 12 minus 14 minus 18 plus EY, which is equal to 0. So you will get equation AY plus EY is equal to 45. Let's say one equation. Summation of f of x is equal to 0. So if you observe this truss, is there any force in x direction? There is no force in x direction. So therefore Ex is the only force. So we can say that Ex is equal to 0. Now take the moment about A. Now we have considered the clockwise is negative and anti-clockwise is positive. So 12 into perpendicular distance 3, it will create the moment in clockwise. So 12 into 3 minus, then minus 14 into 3 plus 3, 6, minus because of clockwise sense, then 18 into 9, minus sign because it will create the moment in clockwise, plus EY into 12. So from that you will get the value of EY. Substitute the EY in 1, you will get the value of AY. Both are positive, so assume directions are okay. So are you understand? First step is draw the free body diagram. Second step, find out the support reaction by replacing the supports by its reactions. Now third step, now note down the what are the forces in the members. So here I assume all the members are in tension. We have to find out forces in AH, AB and GC they have asked, or HC they have asked to us. Therefore I have assumed all forces are in tension. Instead of find out the tension or compression, for simplicity assume all are in tension. So this is also in tension. When two arrows are approaching towards each other, it indicates the tension. Or arrow is going away from the joint, it indicates the tension. Okay, now first step is over. Draw the free body diagram. Second step, apply the condition of equilibrium, find out the support reaction, and then notation to each force in each member. I have assumed all members are in tension. Okay, next we have to draw the free body diagram of joint A. So if you draw the free body diagram of this joint A, so it indicates this vertical reaction AY, this force F of AB, and this force F of AH. This force F of AB, this force F of AH, and this vertical reaction is AY. Now consider the summation of F of Y is equal to 0. Summation of F of Y means summation of all forces in Y direction. Resolve this force into its two components. This is F of AH cos 45, and this is your F of AH sine of 45. This is in first quadrant, both are plus. Summation of F of Y is equal to 0 plus AY plus F of H sine of 45. So AY is 20.5. So from that you will get the value of F of AH. It indicates the minus. So your answer is minus. So minus when you have observed F of H tensile. So what it indicates? It must be negative. It must be positive. So it indicates it is a compression. So this is F of AH is compression. Then second condition, summation of F of AX is equal to 0 plus F of AB plus F of AH cos of 45. Substitute the value of F of AH over here. You will get the value of F of AB, that is plus. So it indicates that F of AB is tensile in nature. Now consider the equilibrium of joint H. So if you observe this joint H, so what are the forces are there in joint H? 1, 2, this one is third and fourth, all are going away from the joint H. This angle is 45 and this angle is also 45 and this angle is also 45. Okay, so I have drawn over here the free body diagram. So this angle is also 45. Okay, now force which are meeting at point H, F of HG, F of HC, F of HB and F of HA. Now I am going to apply the condition of equilibrium for joint H. First, summation of F of Y is equal to 0, F of HB, this one, okay, minus F of HC, so minus F of HA, which is equal to 0. So let's say this is not this is minus, sorry, it should be minus. So you will get minus F of HB is equal to minus F of HC sine of 45 minus 28.99 sine of 45, which is equal to 0. Okay, now in this equation F of HB is not known to us, F of HC is also not known to us. Now how to solve this problem? But we cannot use if we use the summation of F of X equation, so in that case also HB is known, not HC is not known to us, HA also not known to us. So for that, now consider the equilibrium of joint B. So equilibrium of joint B, which is this one is the joint B. So there are the forces in joint B is 4 forces. This is 12 kilonewton in downward direction. So force in HB is 12 kilonewton in upward direction. It is very easy to understand. So equilibrium of joint B, summation of F of Y is equal to 0. So minus 12 plus F of HB, HB is equal to 12 kilonewton. So substitute this value of 12 kilonewton over here. So you will get your answer. So this is plus, here minus, and this is minus, sorry, this one is become plus. So I have got here mistake, so it must be a minus h of f of hb. So this value will be going to be changed. So it is 20.5 minus plus 12 divided by 7 divided by 0.707. So it is, this answer is 12.02. Answer is positive, so assume direction is correct. So your answer is f of hc is 12. Now apply the second condition, summation of f of x is equal to 0. So what is summation of f of x? So this is, you have to resolve this force, this and this one into its two component, x and y direction. So minus f of ha cos of 45 plus f of hc, why it is plus? Because it is in fourth quadrant, plus f of hc cos of 45 plus f of hg is equal to 0. So what is your value of f of ha? That value is minus 28. So substitute that value, minus minus, that get plus. So minus 28.99 cos of 45 plus f of hc cos of 45. So it is not 45, it is 12.09. Okay, plus f of hg is equal to 0. So if you solve this, you will get the value of 28.99 cos of 45 plus 12.09 cos of 45. So you will get the value here 29.05 kilonewton, and your answer is minus. So minus indicates that you have assumed the f of hg tensile, but it is not in tension, it is a compression. So your answer is 29.03 is your answer, and notation is compression. Okay, I think all of you have got this, where how to find out the forces in given members. Now we are going to solve another numerical. Now this numerical we are going to solve by method of section. Determine the forces in members DF. So this is your DF, DG and EG. So we have to find out the forces in this member. So we have to section over here. First step, check the stability of the truss. M is equal to 2J minus R. So R is equal to 3, M21, J12. So you will get left hand side is equal to right hand side. Truss is stable. M is members. So if you count this member, these members are 21 and joints is 12 joints. Okay, understood. Now next step is draw the free body diagram of whole truss. This is the free body diagram of whole truss. Replace this hinge support by the two reactions, roller by a single reaction. Apply the condition of equilibrium. Summation of f of y is equal to 0. Ay plus RL minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 8. Sorry, minus 10. So you will get Ay plus RL is equal to 10 when it is going on the right hand side. So this, if you observe this figure is symmetrical. Yes or no? If figure is symmetrical, there is no need to take the moment. By moment also you will get the same answer. By observation you can say that if figure is symmetrical, so whatever the reaction produced by Ay, same reaction will be produced by RL. So total load is 10. So half will be shared by Ay and half will be shared by RL. So this reaction will be 5 and this one is also 5. So AY is 5 kilonewton and RL is 5 kilonewton. Now support reactions are known to us. Now here AX is 0. Why AX is 0? Because there is no force in X direction. Okay. Now next step is to take the section in a member. That force we have to be find out. तर आपल्याला याच्यातला फोर्स काढायचा DF, DG आणि EG मधला. तर आपण असं सेक्शन घेतलं आहे. ओके. फर्स्ट यू हॅव टू फाइंड आउट दिस अँगल. दिस अँगल थीटा D is tan inverse of 3/4, that is 36.86. This angle we have find out 36.86 by tan inverse of 3 divided by 4. Now consider the equilibrium of left hand side of this section. Now consider the equilibrium of this left hand side of the section. So this is the left hand side of the section. Now here apply the condition of equilibrium. Summation of f of y is equal to 0. So plus 5 minus 2 minus 2. Now take the sine component of this. This is f of dg sine of 36.86. After solving this, you will get the value of f of dg. F of dg is equal to, you will get the value of 1.69. It is positive. Okay. F of dg is 1.67 kilonewton, that is positive, so it is tensile. Now apply the moment about point D. Why at point D? Because 1, 2, 3 unknowns are there, so we can apply the moment about point D. After applying the moment about D, AY into this perpendicular distance is 7. It will create the moment in clockwise, so it is minus. So it is minus. Okay. Now here, if second 2 into 4, so this distance is, we have to apply the moment about point D. So 2 into this distance is 4. So it will create the moment in anti-clockwise sense, therefore it is again positive. And then after that f of Eg. So where is f of Eg? This is f of Eg. It will create the moment in anti-clockwise, therefore it is again positive. So f of Eg into perpendicular distance is 3. So f of Eg into 3, you will get the value. Substitute the value of AY 5 and you will get the value of f of Eg. So that comes out to be plus 9. So it indicates that your answer is plus. So it indicates that assumed direction is correct. So f of Eg is 9 kilonewton. Dg is known to us, Eg is known to us. Now to find out the member, force in member DF. So we have to find out the force in the member DF. Then apply the summation of f of x on the left hand side of the section. AX, this one. Then f of EG. This is f of EG. Then f of DF. Then cos component of this. What is the cos component of this? F of DG cos of 36.86, and it is in fourth quadrant, so it is positive. F of dg cos of 36.86 is equal to 0. Substitute the values, you will get the value of f of dg. It is initially you have got minus, so indicates that assumed direction is tensile, which is wrong. So the force in the member is 10.33 compressive.